Hey everyone, welcome back to our series on building a directory website using Divi 5 theme and GeoDirectory. In the previous video, we created two membership packages in the backend, one free package and one premium package. In today's video, we'll show you how to create a pricing section to display these packages on the front end, plus how to add links in Join Now button and a CTA section using GeoDirectory and Divi 5 theme. So let's get started. For creating a new section, we will take two columns inside it because we have created two packages. After this, we will select the price block. Right? We won't keep these two tables inside the price block. We will keep one table, right? And coming into this table, let's change the stacks to free. We will write the subtitle as Add Your Free Listing. Right, after that, you can change the currency here. We will keep it as dollars. Or in pricing, we will put 0 as 0 is free. Right, the button won't have button text, so we will take a new button here. For this, we will duplicate this button. After duplicating it, we will drag it and drop it into this one. Right, it has come inside the free one. After that, we will add a link to it, which we will show. Then what we do is design the header background of this price table. Right, let's come to the layout. After coming to the layout, we can make some changes from here. What shall we do after that? Let's come to the title text. After coming to the title text, you can also change the title text here. Right, coming here to the background, we can also give a background color. So we will keep the default white color, right? We won't give a color. After that, we will come to the main price table. Then what we do is come to the design. After coming to the design, we will click on this title text option. After doing that, look, we will color the header background color an orange type. After that, we also need to change the table header background color. Copying the same color, we will put it in the color code. Look here, it has appeared. We have also given this header color, right? It is done. We will add the rest of the features to it. For that, we need to come inside the packages. After coming, we need to come to the content. Then clicking on text, look here, this is the place to add features. We will paste it here. In this, we will copy these free features for testing purposes and paste them here. Coming to the text, pasting it, and then coming to the visual mode. So guys, look, the option we want to show after the business owner adds the listing will be visible. He cannot add any of these other features. Right now we add the premium ones to the free one. What do we need to do for that? We will duplicate this pricing table. After duplicating, we will put it below this column, right? We will put it inside this column. It has arrived. Now we will edit this pricing table, changing free by writing premium. Here we will change add your subtitle to add your listing today. Okay, and we will make the price $100 here. Right? After that, we will paste the same pro features into it. Done. Now, what do we do with the button? We will add the add listing button link according to the packages. So for that, we need to go to the add listing page. Then clicking on the free one, the page will load. Now its package ID will change. Right, the package ID has loaded and changed. We will put this package ID 1 inside this button. Coming to the link, we will paste this ID into this button. Right, what do we do after that? We click on the premium one. Clicking it, we will copy its URL after the package ID loads and put it into the second one. Right, Okay, it is done. Then what we do is add an ID to this section. Going to Advanced, going to Attributes, we will add an attribute. Clicking on ID, we will name this ID pricing dash table. Then we copy this ID. After that, we will add its link to this join button. We will come to the link. Look guys, we will close this and paste it here so that when clicking the join button, it comes to this membership packages section. Scrolling down, we will add another CTA section. Before that, we will save this page and come to the join page and refresh the page once to see. We will click on this join button. So look guys, it has come to the packages section. Scrolling down, then we will add a CTA section. For that, we have to come to the builder again. We will take a new section. In this 2-column right-left block, we will put an image block. Then we will add a title here, right? We will choose an image here. After that, we will copy the title here. Duplicating this heading, what we do is bring it here and put it below this column. Right? And we will change its name to Add Your Listing Today. Right? We will come to the design and left align the heading text. And we will put a text block below it. Right? Okay. And we will add a button below this. We will duplicate this button, drag it, and place it underneath. And we will come to the design settings and left align it. Right? And we will link its ID in the same way. Okay, so that clicking on this also takes you to the section above. Let's give this section a color. We'll go into the design content and set the background color to something like orange. I mean a faded one. Then we will save it. And let's go to the spacing settings for this packages section. After going into design, we will set the top padding to 0 and the bottom padding to 0 as well. Actually, not 0 for the bottom. We need to keep it at 40 pixels. Right, let's set it to 40 or 80 pixels. Then we will save it. We will go to the join page and refresh it. Boom, guys. Look, we have finished our join landing page. Now, when we click on this, our packages appear. If we click on this too, it will come to the packages section. We will click on the join page for free and premium, and the free one will go to the add listing page. And look, the free one has come to the add listing page. Let's go back again. If we click on the premium packages, it will go to the premium add listing page. So in the next part, we will show how this add listing page can be designed even better. And if the add listing form is long, there is a very good add-on for that called GeoBuddy multi-step form. We will show you how to use that too, so that the user doesn't have any trouble filling out the add listing form and doesn't find it boring. If you want to get the GeoBuddy multi-step form add-on for GeoDirectory add listing form, then the first place you should visit is WpGeobuddy.com. Once you're on the site, head over to the membership page. When you purchase a membership, you get complete access to the GeoBuddy plugin, and we offer 3 flexible plans to choose from: single site, 5 sites, unlimited sites. With any of these plans, you unlock a huge range of features, including the multi-step form add-on, the GeoBuddy confetti add-on, GeoBuddy weather forecast add-on, GeoBuddy announcement bar add-on, powerful AI features, and much more, all designed to take your directory website to the next level. To get started, just visit the site. We've dropped the link in the description box below. And if you want an in-depth look at the GeoBuddy multi-step form or any of our other add-ons, head over to our WpGeobuddy YouTube channel and check them out. We also provide directory website development services. If you need a customized solution for your directory website, we're here to help. You can hire us at buddydevelopers.com. You can also follow us on our other social media channels. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.